Briefly introduce the topic of the video. Understanding MU stock. A comprehensive analysis. Mention that MU refers to Micron Technology Incorporated, an American multinational corporation known for producing memory and storage solutions. Company overview. Provide background information about Micron Technology, including its founding, headquarters, and primary products. Highlight the company's position in the semiconductor industry and its competitive advantages. Financial performance. Discuss Micron's recent financial performance, including revenue growth, profit margins, and earnings per share. Analyze key financial metrics such as revenue, net income, and free cash flow over the past few quarters or years. Compare Micron's performance to its competitors in the semiconductor industry. Market analysis. Evaluate Micron's market share and its position within the semiconductor market. Discuss industry trends and factors influencing Micron's growth prospects, such as demand for memory and storage solutions, technological advancements, and competition. Highlight any recent developments or partnerships that may impact Micron's market position. Investment thesis. Present the investment thesis for Micron stock, including reasons to consider investing in the company. Discuss potential catalysts for future growth, such as increasing demand for memory and storage solutions, advancements in technology, and expansion into new markets. Address potential risks and challenges facing Micron, such as cyclical nature of the semiconductor industry, supply chain disruptions, and regulatory issues. Conclusion. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing Micron's strengths, opportunities, and potential risks. Encourage viewers to conduct their own research and consult with financial advisors before making investment decisions. Thank viewers for watching and invite them to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Remember to customize the script with relevant data and insights about Micron technology and the semiconductor industry. Additionally, consider adding visual aids such as charts, graphs, and images to enhance the video's presentation.